Good day, my people. So today for Africa Bible Story, I wan tell una how God take create this world, how the creation of this beautiful world take come into existence. So, and I go dey start from the book of Genesis chapter 1 for inside Bible. So, in the beginning, God just dey. Everywhere dark like inside pot, nothing dey. God come say, make we start something. The whole place scatter, water full everywhere like say flood wan happen. But God's spirit dey waka dey check as e go take arrange this mess. God come talk, make light show. From nowhere, light just show, boom. Immediately, God look am say, this light fine sha. So God separate the light from darkness. He give them name. Light, he call am day. Darkness, he call am night. Evening come, morning come, na day one be that. Next, God say, make breeze and sky dey. Make he divide water for ground from the one for up. Sharp sharp, breeze blow, sky appear. God check the thing, he nod e head, he say, this thing make sense. Evening come, morning come, na day two be that. God no stop there o. He talk again, water shift, make dry land show face. Na so land appear and water pack one side like obedient pikin. God look the land, he say, this land get style. God name the dry land earth and the water sea. He happy well well. Evening come, morning come, na day three be that. God talk again, earth, you no fit dey dry like garri o. Make grass, plants and fruit tree full everywhere. Na so different plants begin grow. Mango tree, coconut tree, even agbado sef. God look the whole garden, he smile. This one sweet pass my imagination. Evening come, morning come, na day four be that. God say make stars, moon and sun dey control the day and make dem shine for night like disco ball. So sun come waka for day, moon and stars come for night. Na serious arrangement God put for sky. God look am again, nod head, he balance well. Evening come, morning come, na day five be that. God say, water, make you produce fish wey go swim everywhere, and sky, make birds full you. Na so fish begin dey do backstroke for river. Birds dey fly, waka for air like dem get meeting. God bless them say, make una go multiply. Birds, fish, no time to dull. Evening come, morning come, na day six be that. Finally, God say, make we create human being wey go resemble us. Make dem get sense to take control the fish, the birds, land and everything wey dey waka for ground. So God creates man and woman. He look them, he smile. He smile well well. God bless them say, make una go multiply. Full ground. Make sure say everything dey under control. God check wetin he do for 6 days. He smile one kind. Everything set gidigba. On day 7, God say, he don do. I go just rest today. So he relax. Put leg for water, just relax. And na so God take create the whole world o. Create am finish. Full everywhere with life, full everywhere with style. Shey una don know how God take create the world now. So beautiful. How God take create everything in 7 days.